Hello guys, today we are gonna film the low buy intro for 2024, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. For my low buy, I have my notes in here. I put a bunch of categories in no buy, a lot of categories in replace, and with palettes I wanted to hit pan and stuff like that. I'm not gonna do that for 2024. It is not for me. I can't do it. I have a problem with buying stuff. It is what it is. I know, I acknowledge it. For 2024, I'm gonna have another plan. I will have 5 videos with a low buy, and I will talk about the items that I'm buying in each quarter. So for Q1, we will film it in March or something like that, and I will let you know all the items that are purchased from January to March with prices. That is what I want to do, and my goal is to buy less than $200 worth of makeup. If I buy just 5 blushes and they are under 200, that will be great. So I'm not gonna do category because that is just not for me. Let me tell you what I bought in October, November and December. It is a lot. So let's start with October. I purchased the Physician Formula eyeliner. I'm gonna put a picture right here because I just decluttered it. It was just too dry. So I'm gonna repurchase it from Beauty Bay. Maybe I will have a fresher one. That one was just too dry and unusable. So I just bought a bad one. Then I bought the Revolution Streamline in black. This one is great. It is a great purchase. I'm not mad. It is very affordable and an amazing eyeliner. Right now, this is my favorite formula. I do really like it, and it is pigmented and it stays very, very well in the waterline as well. Then I bought the Ardell Naked Lashes. I'm gonna put a picture. I decluttered them. They are very ugly. I put them in the empties or whatever. Not for me. I'm not gonna buy any other lashes than my favorite ones. It is what it is. I learned my lesson, hopefully. Then I went to Milan and I bought some Kiko Milano. So I bought the pencil, the lip pencil. This is in the shade 33. It is a nice shade. It is a wooden pencil. That is my type of lip pencil, but this one is just not for me. I could see myself decluttering this. It's just the most basic eyeliner ever. I like something a bit more longer lasting. This is just staying for 30 minutes and it's gone. So not for me. And at the same time, I bought the gloss. This one is so beautiful on the lips. I bought it in the shade 17. It is a very glittery and beautiful gloss. You can feel just a tiny bit the glitter, but it's not uncomfortable. So it is a beautiful one. I do recommend it. It is a really, really nice one. And as well, when I was in Milan, I bought these 2 minis. They were a set with the Spotlight shade and the Pinkgasm shade. Let me tell you, the Sephora in Milan was 3 floors. It was giant. I was so happy in that Sephora, but I bought only these 2, so that was nice. But I replaced my other one, the light one, with this small one, and I have a blush one as well. But I had a full size of this one and I was not done with it within a year, which is the shelf life for it. So I think a mini one will be more than perfect for me. We are still in October. I bought this lipstick. It is the Fenty in the shade Wicked Wine. It's a gorgeous color and a really nice formula, but I have no idea what possessed me to buy a shade like this because I'm not wearing these dark and vampy colors usually. But I think I used it like 3 or 4 times, so not the best purchase, but not the worst. It is a beautiful color. Then I replaced my NYX Glitter Primer, this one, which is a great purchase. This has 6 months of shelf life and it's going around my eyes, so I do want to replace it when it's going bad, and I love it. So a good purchase in my opinion. And that is for October. For November, I bought the NYX Plump Right Back Primer. Didn't really need this one, but I wanted my points at the next store so I can have a free palette, but I do enjoy it at least. It is a good primer, so I'm gonna use it up. It is a nice one. It is hydrating. I think it is a better version of the e.l.f. sticky primer, the, how is it called? I can't remember right now, but the one in the green tube. That one is just too sticky. This one is hydrating and a bit sticky as well. Then I bought the Sigma Jewels, and I'm gonna put a picture because I did declutter this one. I'm disappointed. Sigma formula is just not for me. I'm not gonna buy any other eyeshadow, and it was a waste of money for sure. Then I bought the Sigma eyeshadow primer as well, which is a great product. So this is my favorite eyeshadow primer. I decided to replace it. It has 18 months of shelf life, so it was time for it to go. It was almost empty as well, and I decided to replace it with a new one. Then I gave R.E.M Beauty a last chance and I purchased the lipstick. This is in the shade Bubbly. It is a matte lipstick. It is a nice component, but the lipstick is just, it is just like other lipsticks. It's not special in any shape or form, and maybe I'm just too mean to R.E.M Beauty. It's just not for me. I'm not gonna buy anything else. It's just, it is what it is. It's not a brand for me. Then I bought the Fenty gloss. I'm gonna put a picture in here as well because it is in my purse at work. So I don't have it right now, but it is a really nice gloss. It's not that holographic. In the tube you can see all the colors. On my lips it looks peachy, so depending on the color of your lips it will look a bit more red or a bit more peach or a bit more pink or something like that, but it's not a very holographic lip product in my opinion. Then I purchased the Monova lashes. These are my favorites. I am very happy with my purchase. They are pretty expensive, but I'm using them a bunch and I think they are worth it in my opinion, because I could wear one pair like 20 times or something like that, and they will just be very nice throughout the whole year, so I don't need to buy any other lashes. I bought as well some Rephr brushes, and they were again very expensive. I bought them on Black Friday, but they are amazing brushes. I love them. I'm happy with the purchase, and because of Black Friday sales I bought this one. This is the Fix Plus Stay Over from MAC. It's my favorite setting spray. I'm not mad. It is pretty expensive, but I think I got it half off or something like that. It is great, so I'm not mad. And then the last thing that I bought in November was this one. This is the Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer. This is one of my favorites. It is so nice. I adore it. I bought the shade 002 and I did finish one of these in the project pen this year. It's an amazing concealer. Again, repurchasing a favorite, and this is so affordable. It's just a really, really nice product. And for December, I bought only 3 things, which is great. I have 1 week left of December, but I'm gonna try my best and not purchase anything. And yeah, so let me tell you the 3 things that I purchased. I purchased the Fluff and Hold from Too Faced as a backup because, again, Sephora was having some discounts, so I love this one. It is my favorite. I think this one will be my 5th or 6th tube or something. It is my favorite. I purchased then a Makeup Forever blush, and this one is gorgeous. It is a bit loosely pressed in here, so you have a bit of kick up, but it is so beautiful. It is a formula that I really enjoy. It will not become my favorite or something like that, but I do like the small packaging, and I really want in 2024 to try more Makeup Forever because I think they have really good formulas in general, and this blush is really nice. And lastly, I bought a tinted lip oil from Catrice. This is nice as well. It is the Glossing Glow. This is the shade 30 Glow for the show. It is an orangey shade, but it looks really nice on the lips. And in general, with lip oils and stuff like that, I like buying a bunch of them from the drugstore because I use so many lip glosses and lip oils and stuff like that. And sometimes it is nice to have a very affordable one in your collection. I really like this one. So these are all the products that I purchased in these 3 months. It is a lot, but I found some really great products as well. And like I said, I will film an update in March, and we will have a list with all the products and prices and everything. I think that will be a lot of fun. And at the end of 2024, I could see how much money did I spend on makeup, because that could be very interesting. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.